You feeling okay? It's not the moon, it's different.
Why am I wearing black? What are you, an idiot? I just came from a funeral, you know? People wear black at funerals.
Dude, chill. It was just
Chill,
a quick...
get out of my face! It's you. It's all you. You know, every day I saw her lying in that hospital, slowly dying. I thought, how the hell am I supposed to raise this stupid kid on my own? This hyperactive little bastard who keeps ruining my life. It's all you. It's you, Stiles. You killed your mother. You hear me? You killed her. And now you're killing me.